my next video, I'd like to do one on the new or newish Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and a new update, a software update just came out. So let's go ahead and dive right in, as I'd say, and let's look at this. So first off, let's backtrack a little and show you how to get your updates if you don't know how. So go ahead and go to Settings, scroll down, go to Software Update, and then as you can see, I just checked mine, but you go here, click Download and Install, and then you will get a message like this, if you don't have your update, saying that you have a new version that you want to update. And the new version, it ends in BYJ5. So if you don't have that, you don't have the newest version, okay? It's a half a gigabyte, 539 megs to be exact. And you can click the links usually to find out more of what you're getting as a new update. And you can see the link here. And when you click that, it will take you to the website, which only lists security. But there's some pretty high-risk security patches. Not very many medium or low, but a lot of very serious high-risk security patches. So if that's true, and this is all 539 meg of security patches, that's a lot of security patches. So as always, I strongly recommend to stay on the most up-to-date version you can. That keeps your phone running best, your phone running most secure, most optimal, best battery life. I've always found that after my first, when I update, after about the first 24 hours, my battery is lousy. I mean, really bad. Then it relearns itself and how you use the phone. And then the next 24 hours, it usually acts normal or is even beyond the way it used to work. So you always wonder why your phone, after an update, your phone isn't, and its battery isn't holding a charge like it used to. Don't worry if you've just done an update. That's normal. That's just the way it works. So that's my video. I mainly wanted to make this as a reminder to go out and grab this update. You always want to stay most up to date. Whenever I get an update, I like to share with my audience. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.